Next is like if you want to draw ammonia nitrogen, its Lewis dot symbol is 2, 1 pair, and because its valency is 3, so 3 unpaired. You want to add 3 hydrogen, so 1 hydrogen will be here, 1 hydrogen will be here, and 1 hydrogen here. See, nitrogen has its 8 electron in the valence shell. Complete its hydrogen, complete its duplet. Now you can see here there are 6 electrons, or you can say 3 bond pair. You will draw it like this: hydrogen, 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 and 2 electrons here. So if you see carefully, there are 2 bond pair, 2 lone pair. Here are 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair. In this way we can draw the structure. This is about the covalent bond. Then is a ionic bond, or ionic bond is formed. Is also called electro valence bond. That bond is formed by the transfer of electron from one atom to other. This bond is formed between metal and non-metal. Like we have a sodium. Its Lewis dot symbol is 1 dot. You can put it anywhere to get one configuration. This is metal. Take chlorine. Chlorine has 7 electrons, 1 unpaired. It is non-metal. So sodium has 1 extra electron, chlorine required 1 electron, so sodium gives its electron to chlorine. This is a transfer of electron. Sodium loses 1 electron, sodium gets positive charge, configuration becomes stable. Chlorine gain 1 electron, chlorine become negative, configuration become 288. So these oppositely charged ions, they are held by a strong electrostatic force of attraction. So this type of bond is called an ionic bond. There is one word, valency. Valency means, you know, the outermost electron. Covalency. Covalency means the number of electrons shared by an atom during formation of covalent bond. There is one word, electro valency. Electro valency means electron donated or gained. Like here, electro valency of sodium is 1 because it loses 1 electron. Electro valency of chlorine is 1 because it gains 1 electron. Or let's see another example. If we have a magnesium, it has 2 because its configuration is this. Valency is 2, that's why you put dots, not in pair. Okay. Chlorine. Now we require about 2 chlorine. 287. Second chlorine. 287. So what the magnesium will do, it loses 2 electrons. One transfer to this chlorine, other transfer to this chlorine. What happened? Magnesium loses 2 electrons, becomes stable, Mg2 positive. Its electrovalency is 2. Chlorine, there are 2 chlorine, they take 1 electron each. You can't write Cl2 negative. 2 Cl negative, both get stable configuration. And the bond formed is MgCl2. Electrovalency of magnesium is 2. Electrovalency of chlorine is 1. So this is basic about the ionic bond formation. Let's say next is sodium sulfide. How to draw the structure of sodium sulfide. सोडियम एंड सल्फर के बीच में आयनिक बॉन्ड कैसे बनेगा? तो पुट सोडियम हियर, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. Sulfur has 6 electrons. Valency 2, 2, 8, 6. Now sulfur required 2 electrons, but sodium has only 1 electron. Then what to do? We have to take one more sodium. Take one more sodium. Now this sodium has 1 extra electron, it will lose, give to sulfur. This sodium has 1 extra electron, it will lose, give to sulfur. So sodium lose 1 electron, positive. Sulfur gain 2 electrons, negative. 2, 8, 2, 8, 8. And there is a force of attraction between these oppositely charged ions. Compound form this Na2S. Simple. Electrovalency of sodium is 1. Electrovalency of sulfur is 2. Electrovalency is equal to number of electron lost or gained during the formation of ionic bond. Then is the Lewis dot structure. Structure means for molecules. So I am taking examples, 3 examples here. One with a neutral, second with a positive charge, third with a negative charge. These are the molecules. And you are asked to draw the Lewis dot structure of these. How to draw the Lewis dot structure? There is a shortcut method, trick that's called ANSU. ANSU. You must write ANSU about each. What does it mean? A means available electron. N means needed electron. S means shared electron. U means unshared electron. Available electron means which electrons are available for bond formation, which are present in outermost shell, means valence electron. Only the valence electrons are available for bond formation. It means the value of A is sum of all the valence electrons for all the atoms. Right? Oxygen has 6 valence electrons. So 6 3s are 18. Value of A is 18. We have 18 electrons available for bond formation between 3 oxygen atoms. Needed means when the bond is formed, why do atoms combine to complete its octet except hydrogen? It means needed means हमें कितने चाहिए? हर एक एटम को ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट होनी चाहिए, तो 8 चाहिए, तो 3 को कितने मिलेंगे? 24. क्लियर? तो 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन अवेलेबल है वैलेंस और नीडेड है 24. तो ऐसे बॉन्ड कैसे बनेगा? इट मींस वी हैव टू शेयर. हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर टू बी शेयर्ड? 24 माइनस 18, 6. 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करने पड़ेंगे. टोटल कितने थे? 18. 18 में से 6 शेयर हो गए, तो अनशेयर्ड कितने हो गए भाई? 12. सो सी इट केयरफुली. How to find ANSU? Without forming ANSU, you can't write the exact or accurate structure of any compound or molecule. This is a method trick to write the Lewis dot structure. A is available electrons, electron present in valence shell. Like in this case, see, the practice you will be know ANSU. Now, how many valence electrons are there in this? हाइड्रोजन के पास वैलेंस कितने होते हैं? 1. तो कितने हाइड्रोजन है भाई? 3. प्लस ऑक्सीजन के पास कितने होते हैं? 6. और ऊपर एक प्लस का साइन है. प्लस का मतलब है 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन कम है, तो यू जस्ट माइनस इट, -1. तो ये आपके पास 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन है अवेलेबल. ओके, नीडेड हाइड्रोजन की ऑक्टेट तो कंप्लीट नहीं होनी, हाइड्रोजन की डुप्लेट कंप्लीट होनी है। तो 3 हाइड्रोजन है, एक को 2 चाहिए, तो टोटल 6 प्लस ऑक्सीजन को तो भाई 8 ही चाहिए। इसमें चार्ज का कोई लेना देना नहीं है, हमें सिर्फ काउंट करना है हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दे रिक्वायर्ड व्हेन द बॉन्ड्स फॉर्म। तो ये कितने हो गए टोटल? 6 प्लस 8 14। 8 electrons are available, 14 electrons are required. How many we have to share? 14 minus 8 6, unshared 8 minus 6 2. Let's see it for carbonate ion. Available valence electron of carbon 4 plus valence electron of oxygen 6, and these are also added because minus 2 means we have 2 more extra electron available. So 24 total available electrons are there. Needed. Every atom required 8 electrons. How many atoms are there? 3 oxygen, 1 carbon. So 32 electrons are required. What is S? 32 minus 24, 8. And 24 minus 8, 16. So first you find this A and S. We will use S and U out of these. S and U. Now write the skeleton. Write the skeleton of these. We will use only S and U, shared and unshared. So write the skeleton. So write that like this, without bond. Now write the shared electron in between 2 atoms. Like if we have a 6, go in pairs like 2 2 4 हो गए। अब 2 किसी भी तरफ डाल दो। So these are 6 electrons which are shared. Okay. Then unshared. What about unshared? How many electrons are unshared in this case? 12. So now this oxygen has 4 electrons. Give it 4. It's octet complete. This central oxygen has 6 electrons. Give it 2. And this oxygen has 2 electrons only. Give it 6. Now count the unshared, it will be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is your structure. So what to write again? This former, 2 electrons shared means double bond. 1 electron shared means single bond. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is your Lewis dot structure of ozone. Write the skeleton of this: oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Put the bond pair first. There are 6 bond pairs shared. 2, 4, 6. हाइड्रोजन को तो कुछ नहीं चाहिए, हाइड्रोजन गॉट। अब देखो इसमें स्ट्रक्चर में देखो तो सेंट्रल ऑक्सीजन हैज 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन, दिस ऑक्सीजन हैज 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन, दिस ऑक्सीजन आल्सो हैज 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. Now see here, only this oxygen get 1 unshared. Unshared 2 ही है इसमें. So now see this hydrogen have a duplet. The duplet is a duplet and oxygen got as octet. So its structure is, you can write oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen dot and with positive charge. Carbonate ion COOO. How many share? 8. First in pairs, and any side you can write 4. Now for unshared, this oxygen has only 2, so give it 6 more. This carbon has 8 already. This oxygen has 4 electrons, like you can see here. So give it 4 more. This oxygen has 2 electrons only, 2 at 6. Let's count, it will be 16. Okay, so now draw C, single bond O, double bond O. 4 pairs, 6 pairs, and 2 net. So this is about the US dot structure of molecules. And then next हम उसका formal charge करेंगे.